Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a resume or a cover letter by using templates on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then tap on the home button in the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you should tap on the See More button, and here you can find the Start with the Templates section. Tap on Resumes and Cover Letters, and here you can find a bunch of templates that you can choose from. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to try out. You should wait a few seconds till it loads, and after that you will be able to customize the cover letter. So here you can find the template itself and just simply tap onto the relevant part that you would like to delete and replace with your own text and with your own information. Here you can add your name. So tap on it, delete, and type in your own name. You can set the font size, the color, and all other information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.